you love corn muffins, you will love this Maja Blanca inspired cupcake.
Simple, luto na,
So let's start with our dry ingredients. It's very important to sift your dry ingredients. So 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. And this recipe is inspired by Jeannie Caramoan, who likes to invent recipes kasi mahilig siya mag-kitchen test. Kaya sobrang akong inspired. Kaya I will recreate her recipe here. And salt. 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And in another bowl, I will combine my melted butter. Ito partially melted, no? So melted and softened, but very soft butter. Yan. I will add my sugar. I'm using 1/2 cup of butter and 1 1/4 cup of white sugar and 2 eggs. So I will add eggs one at a time. Yan. Yan. Combine. And I am using 1 whole can of canned coconut cream, UFC canned coconut cream. And I will just add it here to my sugar, egg, and butter mixture. It's very Maja Blanca-like. And this recipe is part of the UFC 50th anniversary cookbook. If you want a copy, not of this recipe, but of the entire cookbook, just click on the link below and download the ebook. And I have here desiccated coconut, which I will add to my dry ingredients. Yan. Combine. And I will also add here 1 whole can of UFC sweet corn. But I will add not just the corn, but also the brine. No? And all we have to do now is mix everything together. Yan. Mix. And we're ready to add our batter to our cupcake molds. Yan. Dapat hindi masyadong puno para there is space for it to rise. It's also important to preheat your oven, and I preheated my oven to 170 degrees Celsius. And just for a little garnish, I will just top with toasted coconut. And we're ready to bake. Sobrang bango ng aking kusina, and it's done. Very nice. Oh, look at that. And we're ready to cool our cupcakes. Ayan. Very nice. Super bagay ang flavors itong cupcake para sa summer. Kaya try this with your kids. Maja Blanca cupcakes. Simple!